Hello guys, here is my bulanglang now. Australian version of bulanglang. I put a lentils now. This one is from my garden. It's zucchini. The flower of zucchini is here somewhere. See? Yeah, it's off now. It's finished. Okay, there's some distilled water, zucchini, flower of zucchini, and the lentils, water, and put a chicory, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and tomato. Yeah, here is my bulanglang. I put the lower part now. The part, I put the cheese in it. So there's some nice yummy protein flavor. Oh la la. Yeah, if you have some grated seaweed too, or chopped seaweed, you can chop this as well. Look at that, my version of bulanglang. Back home, the bulanglang, there is nothing on it, or others one you just put some protein too. My version here is got some Parmesan cheese. See? Grated Parmesan cheese. Oh, it's hot. It's a chicory, pichay, or pak choy, bok choy, zucchini. What is that they put here? Hickory, zucchini flour, lentils, Parmesan cheese. What else you ask for, guys? And here I'm gonna put some pure. Oh, sarap. Really good. Yes, guys. Wait, I'm gonna put some of this. I cook whole of it. Oh my, I cook a lot. So I'm gonna put half of this, like to garnish. Wow, bear with me guys. I think it's not working. So I'm gonna get something big one. Or I can do it by my hand like that. Tofu. Marinated tofu. I already sauteed it. Oh my. Oh my gulay. Solved na yung problem, guys. Yeah. Finger licking this tofu. So if you do that, you put the tofu instead of shrimp or fish, or just bulanglang, it's good too. Just like this, solved na guys. Solved na yung food natin. We have already food. Yeah. And this one is just garnish. And if you got green chives, it's good too, but my chive at the moment to growing on us, so I'll just let it be until the chive is gonna grow more and give us more really good healthy leaves too. That's it. Sarap ng tofu. So I leave it there. In a few minutes I top it off and ready to eat. That's the version of my bulanglang. See? Beautiful yummy sauteed tofu with it, and a little bit more of Parmesan cheese to get that nice creamy texture. We ran out of the bio cheese, which is the bigger one, but the Parmesan is good too because we were cooking yesterday. Chef and I made beautiful pesto, really fresh from scratch. It's take a lot of time too, guys. It's not easy to make. At the beginning, chop and everything, but thank God for the blender. Voila! Bon appetit! Oh, sarap ng bulanglang. ML's version bulanglang. There you go, guys. Try this. You won't regret this one. Trust me. Yeah. Even without tofu, guys, if someone of you don't like tofu, just omit the tofu. But if you're really addict with tofu, like I did here, marinated with salt, pepper, honey, few minutes or 30 minutes or hour even, put it there and voila, you can eat it just like that. That's a vegetarian vegan protein. plus these cheeses. That's it. My Bulanglang version. Since I don't have malunggay or moringa here, that's okay. I just find a way what to get with that. Actually, the rocket, it kind of a bit bitterish, so I put some few. Good friend of ours, somewhat. We got really organic product. And every time we visited them, they give us anything product that came from the organic backyard, which is the kanikalat, the lemon, and the bush lemon. Oh, actually, I squeezed some lemon too, bush lemon after this, so it tastes so good. There you go, guys. Now I turn it on again and off because it's really ready to eat. Cheers, and this is our video for tonight. My Bulanglang version was for soup, kind of soup, vegetables. Yeah, it's very simple food and very healthy for you guys. Trust me, you will get addicted if you try this. And I meant what I said, especially this one. And so is this. Oh wow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, and so you can see more of our video. Ship and I'll try to download every now and then, every afternoon or towards evening. Yeah, I hope to see you again. Bye. Thanks for watching. Where are you anywhere in the world? Just a comment below where you came from. So I would like to say we are from Australia and Philippines. Cheers guys. Bye. Here is the last glance for my zucchini soup. A lot of vegetables, organically grown, even the zucchini flowers, this one. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye. You can't really stop eating this tofu, especially marinated. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye. Cheers.